If you look around your circle and you are not encouraged, you are not in the circle, you are in the cage. Remember that I'll say. People what's up by anyone too, so that you are going to stretch to the next level. Hallelujah. And then talk about how we come so that we are more too, yeah, it's unfinished. Here's the difference. There is a difference between a man and a male. And a male is a gender, but a man is a character. Men can make babies, but men can grow children. Remember what I said. And then talk about in a man there is a broken boy. Remember what I said. And then I could have been saying this. I was about to do this and he passed on. We are trying to train people in prison because of people we fail to train at school. But today we come to a train and grow old. Rehabilitating the perpetrator that is in the victim. We have perpetrators that has been rehabilitated, but victims that are damaged forever. And that is my call that as leaders we need not to react, but we need to proact and stop this thing before it even starts. We need to plant in the mind of our young boy that a woman is not just an object, and a man has ever looked at the linear vision board. You can stand for your own success. You can buy your own house. You can buy your own property. Who can Genesis chapter 3 verse 9? Would you move to Simu Nere who see Ari Adama Uhuka? Remember what I said? You say these few things and I'm sitting down. One man of God who is who prepare a message, sermon. How to prepare a sermon only the 5-year-old. Give them a high, what would this step? Every time I walk prepare, a young boy what would this step? That they never come there, what the whole world in puzzles over the 5-year-old. Put this step together for me. After few minutes, and the father was alarmed and amazed. How can you put the whole world together in few minutes? Behind the picture of the world, there was a picture of a man. And I stopped fixing the world and Exercise for your body fitness. At school, you exercise for your mental fitness. But where do you strengthen your spirit? Your battles are more spiritual than physical. They manifest in the physical, but they are created in the spiritual. And a man is a spirit, but he happens to live in the body and he possesses a mind. Even if you can be healed mentally and physically, is a husband. That husband from the house band. Which is how many people coming out of that women in the show. Who let them know you are the house band. And a wife must never be a wife. And you remember the son, you remember the conflict. You are a wife, not be. If you say, oh, I will take on the freedom, it's for your benefit. Don't feel small. Don't feel guilty. If your woman is a doctor, there is a doctor in your house. There is no need to panic. There is no need to feel insecure. I want to release men from insecurity. I want to release men from inferiority complex. You cannot compete with what you have produced. There is a difference between marriage and wedding. There are successful wedding and miserable marriage. That is why already call our perfect marriage, our perfect wedding. Because wedding is a day, but marriage is a life. You can afford a tent, you can afford a bed, but can you afford forgiveness? Can you afford to say, you are still my husband, you are still my wife? You are comfortable when you are taking your house. I'm not promising that I'm still a man. I thought I'm still a man. I cannot go on, but you are still a man. I know how much I like, but you are still a man. I know how 40,000, you are still a man. I know how many times you are still. You can dedicate. You remember how Mamachi wako na karongo ya mchuru jumahade. Angasabone. Ariwa iponana. Yaba Paulo silisilasi. Aya mchima. Aya skeli punana. Seniliti.